Buying or selling a commercial property is one of the biggest decisions a business owner can make. Whether you're expanding, relocating, or selling an asset, the legal process differs significantly from residential conveyancing. Hi, I'm Nick Attwell, Head of Commercial here at Attwells. In this video, I'll walk you through what you really need to know as a business owner before you begin. Commercial leases versus freehold. You'll need to be clear on whether you're buying or selling a freehold or dealing with a leasehold. Leases often come with additional obligations such as service charges, repairing responsibilities, and rent to pay. For business owners, these details will affect your day-to-day operations and your long-term costs. This is where commercial property law and a legal expert really differs from residential, so having specialist advice makes a huge difference. The first stage of the process is due diligence. As a buyer, you'll want to know exactly what you're purchasing. That includes title checks, planning permission, searches of all the local and statutory authorities, and checking things like rights of way or restrictions on the property. Understanding VAT is important because you could end up having to pay another 20% more. As a seller, you'll need to provide all of this information up front, so it's worth gathering documents together early. Think of this stage as risk management, spotting issues before they cost you any time and money. If you're using finance, your lender will have their own requirements. That could mean stricter searches, specific insurance policies, or guarantees or other security documents. The legal process can't move forward until your solicitor satisfies the lender's conditions, so build in extra time here. If you're the seller, you will need to settle any existing mortgages before completion. Finally, contracts and completion. Contracts in commercial transactions are heavily negotiated documents. They cover points such as price, VAT, timescales. They may contain warranties or indemnities. Once both parties are satisfied, contracts get exchanged and completion then follows. At this point, ownership transfers, keys change hand, and for business owners, timing is critical, especially if you're planning a move or a business launch. So to recap, do your due diligence, understand your obligations, factor in lender requirements, and don't underestimate the contract stage. Buying or selling commercial property isn't just a legal process, it's a strategic decision for your business. If you're planning a move, expansion, or sale, make sure you have the right legal team guiding you. At Attwells Solicitors, we work with business owners every day on transactions like this. If you'd like to discuss your plans, we'd be happy to help. Call us today or visit us at attwells.com.